celebrate 59 years of independence and 4 years as a parliamentary republic, Sunday, November 30th, with the installation of the new president of Barbados, the Independence and Republic Day ceremonial parade, and national awards ceremony. Be at the historic Kensington Oval for the 8 a.m. start of the installation of the island's second president, Lieutenant Colonel, the Most Honorable Jeffrey Bostic, the parade of armed and unarmed detachments, military and civilian, the presentation of national honors, leadership badges, and an address to the nation by Prime Minister Mia Amor-Motley. Let's celebrate Barbados as we mark 59 years of independence and our 4th anniversary as a parliamentary republic, Sunday, November 30th, 8 a.m. at Kensington Oval.